if Honorable Uhuru were to be disappointed with the way Honorable Duale runs the place, which of course he is not from all purposes and what we see out there, they seem to be doing very well together. For argument's sake, if he's not happy with him, he will call him and he will tell him, my friend, put in your resignation. As a friend of his.
Yes.
And the next thing we know is that Duale says because of issues of personal issues and all these things, issues and everything else.
He would never do that.
Hang on a minute.
He would never do that.
No, he will do it.
Kenyans don't resign.
Just a second. Just a second. Let me explain to you. Gishangi had a security of tenure. If he wants to get rid of anybody other than the Chief Justice is a separate arm of the government. And the Speaker of the National Assembly. Those two, the President has no powers, no authority, no way of calling him and telling him to take a walk.
An informal discussion.
But
over a cup of tea.
They will have an informal discussion.
He would do it.
Yes.
Maybe he'll do it. Yeah. Maybe it's coming.
Listen to me. They'll have an informal discussion.
But he must follow the Constitution.
And he will say, no, resigning is also part of the process of the Constitution. The Constitution provides for you to resign if you want to.
Remember the famous quote by Amos Kimunya? I would rather die than resign.
Why did he resign? Amos, my friend, who was my classmate in the postgraduate course and who, by the way, came the best in our class, in the MBA class.
Kimunya?
Yes.
With a straight, solid
4. A GPA of 4.
Come on.
Serious, I'm telling you.
He did MBA?
Yes, he did MBA. We were together in class and he got his MBA.
That was good.
Brilliant, sharp.
But he said, I'd rather die than resign.
What happened? Why did he resign?
How many guys have resigned since independence Kenya?
Definitely.
Since independence
Kenya. I can
Kenya.
count them in the fingers of one hand.
Who resigned since independence Kenya?
Charles Jonjo.
He was forced by Parliament.
But he resigned.
I know he's your cousin. He resigned through the pressure of Parliament.
But we were, just because you bandits are cousins.
We're losing sight of this. We're losing sight of this debate.
Charles Jonjo.
Who else? Peter Okondo.
Peter Okondo, okay.
Because of Bishop Alfred Muge.
Okay.
Continue.
Very many people resigned. Matiba resigned.
Karanja, yes, JK.
Matiba resigned.
My good friend, the guy I admire, Mwai Kibaki resigned.
Okay.
When he formed DP.
That's 5.
Yeah.
No, there are many more than that.
No, there are not more than 5.
There are very many.
Very extraordinary men and women.
What about these people who were in The Hague the other day? How many of them resigned and left on their own?
Which ones?
These people who were taken to Hague, some of them who were eventually vindicated.
Mudaura didn't resign.
No, he resigned. They resigned. I'm telling you.
They didn't resign.
No.
They didn't resign.
Was he sacked?
They stepped aside.
Correct.
There's a difference between stepping aside and
resigning. Big difference.